Let's subtract together, mastering column subtraction. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting part of English language numbers and counting, specifically column subtraction. Are you ready? Let's subtract together. Column subtraction is a method we use when we want to subtract large, multi-digit numbers. Instead of trying to do it all in our heads, we write the numbers in columns and subtract each column separately, starting from the right and moving to the left. Let's consider an example. Suppose we want to subtract 435 from 892. Here's how we would set it up. 892, 435. Now, let's break down the column subtraction process step by step. Step 1. Subtract the units column first. We subtract the numbers in the farthest right column, which we call the units column. So, in our example, 892, 435, 7. Step 2. Subtract the tens column next. We move one column to the left, the tens column. Again, we subtract the bottom number from the top. 892, 435, 57. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds column finally. We subtract the hundreds column. 892, 435, 457. And there we have it, 892 minus 435 equals 457. Sometimes, the number on top is smaller than the number below, and we can't subtract it directly. But don't worry. We can use a technique called borrowing. For instance, let's subtract 78 from 100. 100, 78. In the units column, 0 is smaller than 8. Here's where we borrow 1 from the tens column in the top number. This one becomes 10 in the units column. 90, 78, 12. First, we subtracted the units column, 10 to 8, and then the tens column, 9 to 7. The answer is 22. Great work today! Now you've got the hang of column subtraction, an essential skill not only for mathematics but also for understanding English number system. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. Remember, learning is a journey, and each step takes you closer to your goal. Until our next adventure, happy learning!